It's actually good afternoon. There's a couple Chem-trails. It's a beautiful day. I'm happy to be outside today. So I'm stuck in this chair. I have my crutches stacked up. I'm using them as like a support thing. And got my basic essentials with me. Of course, I'm holding the GoPro, but at least he's here today. I'm not stuck inside by myself today, so that's a good thing. I know he's wanting to get this grass mowed. Normally by the time the, it's like fuzzy like this and the clover's starting to show, the bees come out, and he usually wants to cut it, but he's in a hurry to get this house finished, emptied out. And of course, he's down 50% of his team. So he's got to put off mowing the grass until he gets that house emptied out. But at least he got me set up outside instead of being stuck in the house. Maybe this is life's way of saying, make sure you stop and smell the roses. Sit back and relax. Enjoy nature. Is that what I'm supposed to be taking from this? See about 15 different bees in the grass. Okay, well, that's good to know. That was stuff from our wedding. We still haven't gone through all that stuff. Ah! Get back up there. This really makes you rethink how easy it is to get around normally, and how much you have to rely on other people when you can't. I couldn't even carry half this stuff out here. And I've certainly discovered that our house is not handicapped accessible. Maybe I'll try that for a while. It's not too bad. It's a little higher. Rather than going clear down to the ground. Surprisingly, I don't feel like I need the ice yet. I got awake at 5 o'clock this morning, and I really wanted to wake him up and tell him, go get me some ice. I could get up and go out to the freezer, but I can't carry it back with me is the problem. Even if it's just like this for like the next month, I'm not spending a month indoors, okay? So I will definitely be outside as much as possible. But I can already see, I've only been out here for like 45 minutes at the most. I can already see I'm like starting to get a sunburn on the top of my knee. But I just realized, like a month from now, when whatever's here is removed, I'm gonna have 2 completely different colored legs. The neighbor's out mowing, so it might be hard to hear, but just keeping an idea. Oh, I'm keeping an eye on the sky since I'm sitting out here. So there's a brand new Chem-trail. It's a little bit broken up in the middle there. Obviously there's a couple streaks and wisps. I don't think any of these are natural clouds. Maybe that one just to the right of the chimney. Other sources support this. Possibly that one right above this. But for the most part, it's all fake. Oh, it wasn't recording. Okay, there's a bright yellow helicopter. It's kind of little, and it's right up there above that housing community. He's pretty low. I wonder if it was at that air show. I wonder if it was from the air show. That's a funky looking helicopter. I don't know. That's all those big rich houses up there.
Yellow helicopter flying around. Gotta shoot it down.
Good idea. I don't know if the GoPro's gonna last. It says 1%. There's that same helicopter. try it out, see what happens. It can go out, it can stay level, so I can fold it in out of the way. And it's not sticking out very far because it had to go around to the larger part of the pole. See that? Give it a try, see what happens. I can fold it in out of the way, and then, let's see, right there would probably be pretty good. It's just traveling. And I use this one, put my leg up on. I always have to have the right one, so I put it on the right-handed one and reach it from here. So we'll see what happens. I don't know. I think I figured out how to take my GoPro with me. Okay, I just set up that dog leash last time I was out so that I can take care of Jumper. Then they tie the green one to that blue thing, and then I forgot to unlock his blue thing.
Oh.
He should have like another at least 10 feet, I think.
Okay.
Close. For the first try, I think that was pretty good. Some fake Chem-clouds. And the moon. I know this isn't what I'm used to doing. That goes like that. This crutch goes back here. You can look at the sky. Jumper's out there far enough into the yard. That should be good. Getting there. It's only been 2 days since I was at Med Express. I think. Alright, buddy, we're gonna go in. Okay? Come on, we're trying to be independent here. There you go. Just don't go too far. Okay. Don't go too far. There we go. Alright, I'll put this right down here.